Hello. Welcome to IMA. Today's topic is Excel shortcuts. Why is it important to learn? Excel shortcuts help you work without a mouse. Students, college learners, and working professionals can save time by practicing shortcuts. Do you want to learn Excel shortcuts? Let's get started with this video. In Excel, remember these columns: Employee ID, name, department, salary, email, phone, age, joining date, city. We will create a list of 50 employees in Excel. I hope you understood. Normally, you use the mouse right-click copy and right-click paste. But the shortcut is Ctrl+C, copy, and Ctrl+V, paste. This is faster and saves time without using a mouse. Normally, you use the mouse right-click. Cut and paste. But the shortcut is Ctrl+X, cut, and Ctrl+V, paste. Much easier and faster without the mouse. For undo and redo. Normally, you keep clicking with the mouse. Instead, use Ctrl+Z, undo, and Ctrl+Y, redo. Easy to remember and quick to use. Normally, you click the save icon with the mouse. But the shortcut is Ctrl+S, save. Your file is saved instantly. Using only arrow keys to move across cells takes a long time. Shortcut Ctrl plus arrow keys jumps to the end of data quickly. To select an entire row, use Shift plus space. The full row is highlighted without the mouse. To select an entire column, use Ctrl plus space. The full column is highlighted instantly. To quickly return to the first cell, E1 use Ctrl plus Home. It takes you directly to the beginning of the sheet. To jump to the last used cell, use Ctrl plus End. Saves time scrolling. To move between sheets, Ctrl plus page down next sheet. Ctrl plus page up previous sheet. Easy to switch without the mouse. Normally, you right-click Insert, choose row or column. Shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus inserts a new row or column instantly. Normally, you right-click Delete, choose row or column. Shortcut Ctrl plus minus deletes a row or column quickly. Today we learned all these Excel shortcuts. If you want to learn more in detail, check our courses. Basic Excel, Intermediate Excel, and Excel Shortcut Pro in the IMA app. Thank you for watching.